And whatever happens, we're gonna face it together, okay? All right.
It's Trina. I can't take your call right now. Please leave a message and I'll call you back.
Trina, call me.
I can't stand when you do this. Maybe this is just you. You have to wake up. You have to wake up. It's time.
You promise me that you'll be careful.
Of course I will. I guess that was wrong. I hate that I'm always wrong about you.
Trina! I'm not going anywhere. I'm just going crazy.
I have no plans of going anywhere. What? Stop it.
Stop what?
Looking at me like I'm, like...
Beautiful. Oh, I'm sorry, I can't help it.
I don't think you make Trina happy at all.
Just want my daughter to be happy. Doesn't mean I'm not gonna keep my eye on
I just need to know, do I make your life better or just harder? What?
He has a good heart, despite what his family wants him to be.
He told me that if I wanted to be a better man, which I do, that I need to do it for me. And not because
Because I want you to.
I'm trying to do better.
Do you mean that?
Of course I do.
Here for me?
Always. It's okay. It's all right. Trina is so much more than that. Screwed up the best thing that's ever happened to me. She's the bravest person that I know. She never shies away from the truth, and she knows right from wrong, and thanks to her, I'm starting to figure that out for myself. I was never pretending.
I miss you.
I miss you more.
Sometimes complete opposites make the best couple. You can't put logic around love. Heart wants what it wants.